Okay, hello everybody. So the ingredients we are going to use are lemons. I got the lemons, is the ones that are big. We need the ones that have the peel, that is a thick peel of lemons. We also will need sugar. Yes, because it's candy. We love candy. We are going to use just 1 cup of sugar and something to measure, 1 cup of water, and also a place to boil. I have this copper thinking because here in Mexico it was a tradition. It is still a tradition to make candy on copper stuff. So I got this one, but you can boil it on any other kind of pot. Okay, so let's begin. For the first part, we are going to cut the lemons, all the lemons, but in this side, like this orientation. Okay, let me do it so I can show you what is the idea. Okay, this is the idea to cut it there, and then we are going to peel the lemon. Okay, let me show you. Got it? Okay, as I just peeled the lemon. As you can see, I try to conserve the white stuff as much as possible. Okay, I also cut it a little bit more thinner, so it's going to be more easy to conserve that white stuff of the peel. Okay, this is important. Thank you. Let's see what happens. Okay, I already finished, and then we are going to cut them very thin, more thinner. Okay, like this thin. Okay, let me finish all the lemons. I also have this thing. It's going to be a great lemon juice later. Well, get back to you. Okay, I just finished. Well, I have this one, but I want to give you an advice. You can cut this part of the lemon peel. Okay, if you don't want it, you can cut it. Okay, and when you put it off, you can cut it off. This one. Very good. That's a tip. Okay, next we are going to put it on a pot with water, and we are going to let them boil. After it boils, we need to do it like 5 more times. Okay, that's for taking most of the bitterness of the candy. Okay, very good. I will explain about what is happening. Chemical procedures. We are going to make some chemical things here. Let me explain them. Okay, very good. Yes. Like to make it like if I was a sorcerer. Yes, like a sorcerer. Very good. Let's wait. Remember, we're going to do this 5 times. So we need to boil it one time, change the water, boil it again, then for 5 times. 5. While I'm waiting, I'm going to make my lemon juice. I put it there. There we go. Good. That's difficult with one hand, but I do it. Let's see what happens. Okay, I just finished blended my lemons here, and then we are going to take out the stuff that's over there. Okay, and we already have a yummy juice. By the way, this one is good for blends, so you can put it on the blends. Bye. Okay, very good. So I just got to my 5th boil there of my lemon peels, and now we are going to add a 50-50 mixture of water and sugar. Okay, let me go there. Over here we have 1 cup of sugar, so we are going to add the 1 cup of sugar, and we are going to add 1 cup of water. Let me go for the water and show you. Okay, here comes the water. Okay, and we are going to dissolve. Yes, that's a chemical thing for dissolving. Okay, and we are going to do it this thing as we put it on fire. Okay, and when it starts like all mixing, it's get a little bit mild, we are going to add the lemon peels. Okay, let me go to the boiling point. See you. Okay, this is why I love copper. It's actually can be heated very quickly, and as you can see, it's already dissolved. But we need to saturate the mixture with more sugar. So I have a little bit more sugar and put it over there. Why we are doing this thing? Okay, so when we oversaturated a mixture is when we don't have any more room for sugar. But that we are going to take advantage of osmosis. Okay, this is one thing that told us that the things that are get denser goes to goes through the things, the stuff that is less denser. Okay, that is the mass that is not dense. Okay, so if we got this strongly dense, very dense, so it goes to the lemon peels and go inside them. So that's one thing that we want to have the sugar inside the lemon peel. So this is like the most important part. Saturate the mixture, okay, with sugar and water. Okay, let me continue to do this thing and show you when I put the peels there. Okay, bye bye. Okay, very good. So I already put all the peels there in the mixture in the high saturated mixture of sugar, and we are going to leave them there until they get transparent. Okay, so okay, so as you can see, they are starting to get a little bit transparent there. So you need to wait until they are pretty much transparent. I think with the liquid that is going here, I'm going to try to make it a tea or something. I think it's going to be, I hope it's going to be awesome. So let's give it a little bit more time. See you. How do you think? It's almost ready. Look, it's boiling. We almost don't have any more water here. And this is a key component, okay? As you see, there's a lot of bubbles, and it's almost transparent, okay? And it gained again his color as green, so it's almost there. It's almost there. So when you see the bubbles there, is that you're almost there, okay? Very good. Yes, just a few more minutes. So whale is ready. Look at this, it looks awesome. Okay, so you need to let them cool down because the sugar is very hot. So you can put it there in a bed of sugar. You can put a little bit more sugar on top of that, and that's a good treatment. One other thing, remember the juice. We already did a lot of juice, and also the other thing that we have here, you can use it in the ground, in the soil. It's good for the soil, but don't put too many because it's acid. Okay, so it's just a little to get more your soil is healthier. Okay, so what do you think? Super nice. Okay, so let me taste it. Nice. Oh my god, it looks cool. Okay, remember, it's super hot.